Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply add auto captions on CapCut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is simply access your CapCut app on your mobile phone, and right over here go to your edit section, and right now simply you can choose the existing project or you can simply choose to add a new one as well. So right over here you will find this plenty of option in the bottom section. Tap on text, and now you will simply have to find this option of auto captions. Go ahead, tap on it. So auto caption will simply generate auto captions for you. You can simply write it. Other than that, we do have another option, right? And now you can simply choose to do the voiceover in it or video, and once you have done so, you can tap on this generate, and once the generating captions is done, you will be able to generate auto captions for your video just like that. Over here you can see for this we do not have any other text for you to generate if you have video clear out. Otherwise, if you would like to simply add your own, you can simply choose to join from voiceover or all that is available. And you can also choose to select your language accordingly. If you want to add a voiceover as well, you can simply choose to add yourself a voiceover, and you can add the auto captions of the voiceover to your video as well. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.